In your exams, at times you may be asked to make estimates of certain physical quantities. The table here has estimates of common physical quantities that you may be asked. Do note that this table does not include everything. In a lot of cases, your exams may ask you to make estimates of physical quantities that are not listed in this table. Estimates can be drawn through everyday experience, common sense, or calculated through an educated guess. When I say that it can be drawn through experience, consider this. What is the mass of an apple? And then what is the mass of a pencil? I am sure that at some point in your life, you have handled a 1.5 liter bottle before. It could be containing water, it could be containing juice, it could be containing maybe oil. But the fact is that for this 1.5 liter bottle, its mass is at least 1 kg. Now, if you were to compare the mass of an apple with the mass of a 1.5 liter bottle, you will appreciate the fact that the mass of an apple is very much less than the mass of this bottle. So you might make an estimate that the mass of the apple is between 200 to 500 grams. And then if we ask you to estimate the mass of a pencil, you will appreciate the fact that the pencil has a mass that's much less than that of an apple. So you may say that the mass of the pencil is between 30 to 100 grams. Now, when we say that you can also make estimates through calculation, what if I were to ask you the pressure of water 10 meters below the surface? Now, right off the bat, you will know the value, but you do know that pressure can be calculated through the equation H rho G. Now, the depth is 10 meters. The density of water, you commonly know it as 1000 kg per meter cube. And gravitational acceleration, let's just assume that it's 10. You will get the final answer as 10 power 5 Pascal. This is an estimate of the pressure of water 10 meters below the surface. Now, for the next example, what if you were asked to estimate the volume of a person's head? Now, in cases like this, you could assume that the person's head can be contained inside a box whose dimension is 20 centimeter, 25 centimeter, and 25 centimeter. So the volume of the person's head would be roughly 20 by 25 by 25 centimeter cube. Now, estimates are not very precise. You don't need to write them in very precise exact values. They are normally given in one or two significant figures only. In your exams, a range is normally given for your answers.